A 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan here. I'm going to show you how to air up your tires and then reset your TPMS light. First off, you're going to come over here and check for your tire loading information placard. It's usually going to be in here or somewhere along the lines over here. It could be over here on the door somewhere. But so over here, it's saying in the front 41 psi, in the rear 41 psi. So we're going to do front and rear. Here. 41 it says. I'm gonna put it at 42 just because we're in the winter season to deal with fluctuating temperatures. Cap on real quick. And then in here, vehicle. Infotainment screen, you're going to go to car, and then over here you're going to go to selection and then vehicle status. Up here you're going to hit right, you're going to find tire pressure monitoring system, and you're going to hit hit set, and it's going to say do all four tire pressures match required value. We just checked the placard and aired it up to the recommended placard. Hit confirm. The tire pressures are saved. Your TPMS light's gonna flash down there, and then it goes away and you're good to go. That's how you reset your tire pressure. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment down below. I wish you a wonderful day.